I'd like to talk to you about oral hygiene. So everybody knows how to brush their teeth, right? I mean, you just get a toothbrush and you go back in there and you brush, and everybody's known how to brush their teeth since they were children. I would tell you that a lot of people don't do it in the best way that they can. And the results of not doing it correctly can be gum recession, or it could be ineffective cleaning, and so you have a higher risk of gum disease. So there's some things that you can do, and technology is on your side today. I would tell you that still the most effective thing you can do is the lowest tech thing you can do too. A soft toothbrush. You never want to use bristles on a toothbrush that are beyond soft. So when you're looking at medium, soft, hard, that kind of thing, stick with soft. And then when you're brushing, you want to use an up and down motion on your teeth. You don't want any saw motions, nothing going back and forth. That actually creates gum recession, and it can create ridges in your teeth. Another thing I didn't think about until just this moment is when you're holding your brush, hold it in your fingertips. Don't palm that brush. A lot of patients brush too hard, and when they're brushing too hard, again, gum recession, or actually the brush gets all smushed up and it's not nearly as effective as it should be. So you want to hold that brush in the tips of your fingers, and you want to brush in an up and down motion. And then floss. Floss works. Floss is just a piece of string, or we like glide floss, which is a piece of Teflon string. But in any case, it's a piece of string that you pop between the contacts of your teeth, and you scrape it up and down, and then you pop it out and go to the next tooth. That works more effectively than any technology on the market today. So if you want to do the absolutely best thing you could do, you'll use a soft toothbrush and you can floss. Some things that have come onto the market that help though. Sonic toothbrushes. There's several companies that make sonic toothbrushes, and they work. They vibrate so fast that they propel the toothpaste between your teeth. So it'll clean just a little bit under your gums and in between the teeth. That's great. And the Sonic Hair toothbrush, we've recommended it for years. It's been on the market for years. It really works. And using a Sonic Hair with floss, it's faster than using a regular soft toothbrush, and it's super effective. It works great around implants. It's safe to use around soft tissue grafting. And just recently, something that came on the market that we love, the Waterpik Sonic Fusion. That's a great toothbrush. If you'll use that only in up and down motion, you'll brush all your teeth with that sonic brush, and at the last 30 seconds of that cycle that's on that brush, you'll press a little button and it'll squirt a gentle flow of water between, or mouthwash is what we recommend, between your teeth and gums, and it cleans out between your teeth great. So if you're interested in more information about it, are you doing it correctly, mention it to us when you come in, and we'll walk you through the steps. It really is, it's not rocket science, it's pretty easy stuff.